Sir, it's Utsavi Vashne from Hanuman Prasad Dhanka from Vrindavan, from Bridge Branch. Sir, actually this is automatic plant watering system. Once we are out of our home for few days, our plants might get dead. So in this condition, to tackle with this problem, I have introduced such an artificial intelligence based, or we can say that all this system that would work in our absence too. This system is going to give us the value of the resistivity of the soil, and hence will give us the relation between the moisture level of the soil. If the moisture in the soil is very low, the pump will turn on automatically, and if it reaches at a certain height or at a certain point, it will turn off automatically. So basically all this work is being done because of all these components used. This is the resistive sensor, which has two legs, which are going to give us the value of the conductivity of the soil in between. This is the Arduino board, which is used for giving command to all other elements connected. This 5-volt relay module is used for the regulation of high current in the system, as well as for operating this pump, because this pump has to operate automatically as per the need of that plant. So this breadboard is used for the completion of the circuit. This is connected with the positive terminal or the 5-volt terminal of this relay. As you can see, so this rail has converted into the positive rail, and automatically the other is now converted into the ground rail. This system can not only be used for the small scale gardening or for the gardens of our home, as well as we can use it for the large scale farming methods, because it is going to enhance and improve the irrigation system, since it reduces the water losses as well as it reduces the manual efforts. So this is all what I have tried to explain.